Hi, my name is Lexi. I'm going to make you a quick prawn curry. Right. This is garlic. I'm going to put it in the pan, and I'm going to add some ginger. And now I'm going to add some chili. Obviously I have one. And now I'm going to stir it till it's softened. And now I'm going to add some spring onions, and peppers. And now we'll stir it until it's softened. And next, I'm going to add a teaspoon of a curry sauce. And I'm going to stir it. And next, I'm going to put some prawns in the pan. And now I'll stir it till it's nice and brown. And now next, I'm going to add some coconut milk. It smells lovely. And now I'm going to take this off the heat. And now I'm going to just make some spring onions on top. And also, if you want, you can add some rice or anything you want, and you can add some like green beans to it, and it tastes lovely. And I enjoy, and I hope you like it.